If you love colorful birds, you need to check this out. The Andean cock of the rock is pure eye candy with a wild twist. Let's get into it. Males flash blazing orange-red feathers and a head crest that looks like a fancy hat. Females, they keep it low-key and brown, perfect for hiding nests. These birds live in the misty cloud forests of the Andes, from Venezuela to Bolivia. Watch out for their lekking parties, groups of males showing off with calls and dance moves to impress the ladies, mostly fruit lovers. They help spread seeds and keep the forest thriving. And fun fact, they're the national bird of Peru. How's that for style and substance? Follow for more wild facts.